Ethereum USD, and let's see kung ano yung pwede nating expect with this pair, no? So from here, as you can see, it's on a downtrend, pero since we are trading on a leverage, we can go quick in and out. Yan. So at what level? Yan. So from here, and just like what Bitcoin does, and we can expect that it can go sideways until matouch na ito, just like this one. Yan. And where do we look for an entry? Okay. So this is the main support, no? So we can do a sell limit order here at around 2280, and this is a ghost line. No, 2357 the most, and we can also do some selling here. And okay, so but I think this one's a bit bullish na. So pwede siya mag-break dito pataas, no? And once it breaks, we can target this one at around 2,900. And yan. It's a psychological level, no? 3,000. Doesn't need to be exact, pero it's gaining momentum. And so there's a higher high, higher low, and even on a 4-hour time frame, no? So this one's higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low. So if this one breaks and this one gets broken, no, it may have a clean breakout. So watch out for the long candles here. So once na ma-break niya itong level na to at around 2367, 2370, and once na na-break niya yan, we may see it going to 25. And from 25, then we wait for a retracement before it continues to go up to 3,000. So this is on an optimistic side, no? So once Bitcoin recovers, then we can expect that ETH will follow through. So 2195, at around 2195, the most that the most that it can go down could be at around this level 1852. And if this one gets broken, then we look for more targets, no? This could be taken out 1742, and eventually this is going to be deep at around 1390. And so these are the levels that we can expect. So lagay natin yan, support at around 1852, then 1742, and deeper correction could be 1390. Resistance at 2188, 2357, and 29. So it could be here 2794, or at this one 3000, no? So these are the levels. So again, once Bitcoin moves in a certain direction, it follows through, no? So yun yung basic indicator natin. So maybe other cryptocurrencies could go any other way, no, sa direction ni Bitcoin. Pero this one, Bitcoin, Ethereum, these are the OGs, and basically they mirror each other, no, not on the same level, but they could be going on the same direction. And again, you can trade this with Vantage Market. So you can check the comment section or my bio for more information about how to trade this Ethereum USD and Bitcoin USD on a leverage. And also we have trading group, no? I invite you to join our community. Nandiyan lang yung link niyan sa bio natin or sa comment section. So I hope to see you there.